Good morning, students. Get your brain back into our English mode. Okay, let's revise further topics. Let's continue our class. Okay, starts from question number 6. The dog is faithful animal. Identify the adjective. Adjective is a word which qualifies the noun, which shows the quality of a noun. It's called adjective. In this sentence, the word faithful tells us about the dog. What kind of dog is? What kind of dog is? Okay, the adjective is faithful. Here, noun. What is noun? We already know that noun is a name of a person, place, things and animals. For example, boy, book, school, etc. Okay, whatever it may be the name, place, whatever it may be the thing, it's called to be a noun. Yes, very good. The most repeated words in the exams, in the Morarji Desai entrance exams is apple, teacher, city. What is pronoun? We can't use noun again and again. Instead of repeating noun again and again, we use pronoun. Instead of noun, we use pronoun. Okay, noun used instead of noun. He, she, it, they, etc. The most repeated words in exams is he, she, it. Okay. What is verb? Verb is an action word which shows the action. Okay. Is called verb. Example: eating, running. Okay. Play, run, eat. Most repeated question in exam is run, write, speaks are the verb. Adjective is a word which shows the quality of the noun. It shows the, for example, tall, red, happy. The most repeated question in exams is beautiful, big. Adverb is a word which describes the verb, how the work is going on. Okay, adjective shows the quality of a noun. Here, adverb shows the quality of the work. Okay, here, quickly, slowly, how the work is going on, quickly or fastly. Okay, if the words end with ly, it's called to be an adverb. It shows the quality of the work. Okay, ly, quickly, slowly, fastly, etc. The most repeated questions are quickly, slowly. Next, preposition. Preposition, yes, very good. Preposition is a word which shows the location of the thing, inside or outside. Okay, here, position of the thing, in, on, at. In, on, at are the most repeated question in the exam. Conjunction. Conjunction is a word used to join. Yes, very good. Words to word, sentence to sentence. For example, and, but. The most repeated question in the exams is and but. Yes, good. Next, see the most repeated words in the exams. He. We know that he is used for pronoun. He is a pronoun. She is also a pronoun. Apple is noun. Okay. Book is noun. Run, it is a work, so it is verb. Beautiful is showing the quality of the noun, so adjective. Adjective. Quickly, it's end with ly. Yes, very good. It is adverb. It is adverb. Okay, tall. It is an adjective. Adjective. Boy, it is noun. They, it is pronoun. Slowly, end with ly. Yes, very good. It is adverb. And but is conjunction. Okay, are you understanding? Just this is a revision for tomorrow's exam. Okay, contraction form. Contraction is nothing but short form. Okay, for contraction form, I have brought you a magic trick. Just remember this trick. Definitely you will get 1 mark. Is group. If they ask the question, this is, how you write the contraction form is this. In is group, I will disappear. In is group, I will disappear. In our group, A letter disappear in our group. Remember that. In is group, I disappear. In our group, A disappear. In not group, O disappear. In not group, O disappear. Then instead of O, we have to replace an apostrophe. Are you getting? Okay. There are 3 unique contraction form. Which are they? Means shall, not, okay, these are the 3 unique contraction form. Shall not, will not and cannot. The 3 follows strict rules. In shall not, double L get disappear. In shall not, double L get disappear. In will not, ILL get disappear and replace with O. ILL replace with O. Okay, can be written as sha. Okay, LL get disappear. N. Shall N. So instead of O, for not group, O letter disappear and replace it with apostrophe. So shan't. Shall not can be written as, instead of O, we use apostrophe. Then T. Okay, shan't. Will not can be written as, ILL get disappear. Will. So instead of ILL, we have to write O. Not. N apostrophe T. Not for not group, O get disappear and replaced it with apostrophe. Okay. Cannot. For cannot, N and O get disappear. N and O drops. Okay. Cannot can be written as CAN apostrophe T. Yes, very good. Can't. These are the 3 unique. Okay. In shall, LL get disappear. In will, IL get disappear and replace ILL with O. Okay. Can't, NO drops and replace with apostrophe. Okay. Remember this box. These are 3 important contraction form. Here the question is the contraction short form of will not is. I told you, I explained you. These are the unique contraction form. So the right answer for will not is on. ILL get disappear and replace with O. And O disappear and O is replaced with apostrophe. So the right answer is won't. Will not, contraction for of will not is won't. Okay. So am. In am group, this is also unique. Am, A get disappear. In am, A drops. So A drops and replaced with apostrophe. Am. Okay, you. In our group, A get disappear. You are can be written as you are. Where the letter disappear, we have to place an apostrophe. It acts as a placeholder for the words which we took out. Is group, I will get disappear. He is. In is group, she is. I disappear and can be written as she is. Okay. In is group, I get disappear. So disappear letter can be replaced with apostrophe. So it is the right answer. We are. So in our group, A get disappear. In our group, A get disappear and replace with apostrophe. Okay. Yes. For not group, O get disappear and replace with O get disappear and replace with apostrophe. Don't. Do not can be written as don't. Does not can be written as doesn't. Okay. O get disappear and replace with an apostrophe. Yes. Did not can be written as same. I told you not for not group, O get disappear. For can't, I told you NO get disappear and replace with T. These are the unique contraction. These three are unique contraction form. Will not can be written as owned. Here ILL get disappear and replaced with O. Okay. Shall. Here LL get disappear and replace it with, there is no replacement. For only for not, here apostrophe is the replacement. Isn't. Are not can be written as aren't. Okay. Was not can be written as wasn't. For not group, remember they mostly as not group. For not group, we have only remove O and replace it with apostrophe. We are not can be written as we weren't. Okay. We are not can be written weren't. Have not, haven't. Has not, hasn't. Had not, hadn't. Are you understanding? Are you getting my concept? If you remember this, you will get 1 marks from contraction form. Just remember this unique 3 things, and in each group I will get disappear, in our group A will get disappear, in not group O will get disappear and replace with an apostrophe S. Good. Next, come to a next topic. So the topic is rhyming words. Rhyming words means the words having the same ending sound, the words that have the same ending sounds. For the dental, the word dental rhymes with mental. Okay. See the letters, just observe the spelling. Okay. Then choose the correct word. For cat, bat. See the spelling, AT. End with, cat ends with AT. Bat ends with AT, RAT, HAT, MAT. Rat, mat, hat. Ball ends with ALL. See the spelling. First see the last spelling of the word. Okay. Ball, tall, call, ball. Sun, run, NUN. Okay. Fun, run, bun. Pen, hen, ten, men. Book, cook, look, hook. Okay. Day, play, stay, may. Just see for observe for the last ending word. Day rhymes with play. Stay, may. Light, night, right, sight. Okay. Free, three, we. Just see the last rhyming, last word. With man, fan, pan, can. Okay. Pan, can. Top, hop, mop, pop. Blue, true, glue. House, mouse. Chair, hair, fair. Star, car, far. Cake, make, take, bake. Okay. Let's come to our next topic. Past tense. Past tense of a break is. Present means today's. Talking about today's. Past tense means about yesterday. We talking about yesterday means past tense. Okay. I break. So this sentence talk about today's. Okay. For yesterday. Yesterday I broke it. We are talking about yesterday. So we have to use past tense as broke. I broke it yesterday. Okay. So the right answer is broke. 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 These are the most important repeated irregular verbs. Okay. Present. This is V1. This is V2. This is V3 form. Okay. Present, past participle. See. Break, broke, broken. Go, went, gone. I am going to school. Means I am talking about today's. I went yesterday. I went to school means this sentence talk about yesterday's. Okay. Go, went, gone. The work is already done. Okay. Eat, ate, eaten. Come, came, come. Come. V3, V1 is same. Okay. See, saw, seen. Write, wrote, written. Take, took, taken. Give, gave, given. Make, made, made. Okay. Buy, bought, bought. Bring, brought, brought. Drink, drunk, drunk. Okay. Run, ran, run. Most of the V1 form remains same in the V3 form. Speak, spoke, spoken. Begin, began, begun. Choose, chosen. Drive, drove, driven. fall, fell, fallen. Teach, taught, taught. Okay, just remember this table, just see once, just glance. Now the topic is about prefix and suffix. Prefix means adding word before the root word. Adding word before the root word called prefix. Adding after the root word is called suffix. Okay. Prefix. Prefix means before. Suffix means after. After root word. Okay. Type of prefix. Happy. Happy, for happy we use prefix. Okay. Prefix unhappy. Prefix. Okay. Correct, incorrect. Possible, impossible. Regular, irregular. Legal, illegal. Just glance once. Rewrite, use, misuse. View, preview. Heat, over. Over, heat. Ground, underground. Okay. Beauty, beautiful. Hope, hopeless. Quick, quickly. Kind, kindness. Teach, teacher. Act, actor. Wash, washable. Enjoy, enjoyment. Educate, education. Education. Okay. Educate, education. These are the suffix. Suffix means the word which is used after the root words. Okay. Beautiful is a suffix. Prepare yourself. Trust in your abilities. Stay focused and believe in yourself. Best of luck for your exam. Thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, click the bell icon. Till that, bye bye. See you.